What's up, guys? It's Ant here, and today we are going to scale up or scale down our custom patterns. Now, I did a video not too long ago on how to do custom patterns, and that will be linked somewhere right about now. So here is our custom pattern right here. I call it the Pantone Winter Autumn Camo Print or pattern. So let's pull up our layer here. Now, only thing we have to do is go down and select the part that we want to fill with our pattern. Okay. With that being selected, now we'll head on up to our pattern and click on that. Now, the reason why we're here today is because we want to figure out how to make this either A, smaller or bigger. Only thing we have to do with that being selected, we go up to Object, go to Transform, and go to Scale. Okay, now make sure that uniform scale is selected. And also we want scale, strokes, and effects and transform pattern selected. We don't want to transform the objects or anything else. So what we can do is we can drag down right here. That makes it smaller, or we can go in increments of 10 by holding Shift and pulling down. There we go. Let's see. I think that looks good. And when we are satisfied with our results, let's just hit OK. And we're done. We're done, guys. That's it. Now, that is one of the easiest and quickest ways to scale up or scale down our custom patterns in Illustrator. That's it. Thanks for watching, guys. See you in the next video.